Hello there. There are two major problems faced by transport companies today. First, most transport companies don't have the right tools to manage their operations. They are operating on pen and paper or on Excel sheet. Second, 43% of the trucks on road are running empty. More often than not, they cannot find loads for return journeys. Pick and Ship is created to solve these problems. Let us see a brief demo of how it works. The first thing to do is to add your vehicles and GPS trackers to the system. If you already installed a GPS tracker on your vehicle, just configure the tracker to send its location to Pick and Ship tracker server. If you haven't installed the GPS tracker, please refer to the list of tracker models supported by us. We are capable of handling more than 1,000 different tracking models that are available in the market. We are also capable of tracking any smartphone. Just install our tracking app on your driver's phone. Please watch the video in the Trackers module for step-by-step instructions on how to set up a GPS tracker. Once the trackers are set up properly and assigned to vehicles, you can see the real-time location of all your vehicles in one single map view. Now that the vehicles are set up, you can start assigning jobs. In the Jobs module, you will be able to see all the jobs on all your vehicles in one place. Every job has its own tracking link. You may share this link with shippers or any other third party. Shippers are not required to register on our platform to view the status of a job. When you try to create a new job, we check the calendar of the vehicle for its availability. If the vehicle is already occupied during those dates, we throw a warning message. If you still want to schedule this job on this vehicle, you may ignore the warning. In some cases, you may need to go on a round trip with multiple waypoints catering to multiple customers. In this case, you may make use of our Trips module. You may combine several jobs into a single trip. Please watch the video in the Trips module for step-by-step instructions on how to create a trip. You can monitor all your vehicle tasks on a single dashboard on the Gantt view screen. This view is color-coded. For example, if a vehicle is running late, that task will be shown in red. If it is running on time, it will be shown in green, so on and so forth. Tapping on any task will show a pop-up with the task summary. Double tap on the task to view the full details. Double tap on any vehicle to view all the upcoming tasks on that vehicle as a list. If you operate a big fleet and have a team to plan and monitor all vehicles, you may bring your team into Pick and Ship. Just add the team members in the Users module and assign proper roles to them. You may assign a vehicle to a particular user in the Vehicle Administrators section. If a user is not added as a planner or fleet manager of a vehicle, that user will not have access to the operations of that vehicle. For example, if you have 60 vehicles and 4 team members, you may assign 15 vehicles to each team member. Now that we have seen how Pick and Ship can simplify your operations, let us see how Pick and Ship can help you find more business. Under Open Market Shipments, go to the Find Shipments page. Here, you may find shipments for your empty return journeys. These shipments can be bulk, less than truckload, house shifting, miscellaneous items, vehicle towing, or even animals. You can filter for the shipments in your area. You can also filter for the right dates. Once you find a shipment of interest, you may start interacting with the shipper. You may send a message. If they provided contact details, you may call them up. Finally, you may book the shipment or send an offer. If the shipper accepts your offer, a new job will be created against that shipment. In case you get your business from few regular shippers, you may invite them to join Pick and Ship and connect with them directly. You can do this in the Contract Shipments module. Connected shippers will be able to send shipments directly to you. When a new contract shipment is received from one of your connected shippers, you may accept or decline that shipment depending on your vehicle's availability. Pick and Ship apps are available on iOS and Android. If you work on a desktop computer, you may use Pick and Ship's website. You may access Pick and Ship from anywhere in the world as long as you are connected to the internet.